RLG Cosmetics just launched a new foundation in collaboration with Anita brows, so let's try it out.
When I go with confidence, when I go with roll our hips and take back sip on it.
Hey loves, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to be doing a get ready with me while trying out a new product from RLG Cosmetics in collaboration with Anita brows. We're also going to be trying out these face sculpt and glow palette from Mirak Cosmetics. And yeah, I feel like I want to start off this series where we just start like trying out new things, reviewing it out, testing it out, glamming up, chit-chatting, and then getting ready at the same time. So what I'm going to do first of all, before I go into unbox, is I want to do my skin prep and let that sit while I'm doing other things. So first thing I want to do, I want to head to use some serums on my face. So the last thing I want to do is to use my moisturizer. And this one is from e.l.f. I'm going to use this Holy Hydration Lip Mask. Let this sit on my lips for some minutes. So before I start doing any heavy skin prep, I just realized that I wanted to actually swatch these foundations out so that we can see the colors, what they look like on my skin, and obviously find our shade. Now this is the PR package that I got at the event. This is what it is. This is the Skin is in Hyaluronic Matte Foundation. So it's gonna give you that soft matte look, that you look hydrated, but like it's not looking greasy. So I'm gonna open this up and see what we got in here. This foundation is available in 15 shades, and they were nice enough to gift me 3 shades in this box. It's here. Now I'm gonna take this out so we can look at the packaging, but this is the packaging that the foundation comes in. So I'm gonna get straight right into it. They sent me 3 shades. So they sent me the shade Light 1, Mid 15, and Mid 20 as well. So these are the shades. I'm gonna go ahead to unbox this so we can see the packaging and what it looks like. So this is what the bottle looks like. So I definitely love the sleek packaging, but what's cool about this foundation is how you open it. So all you have to do is literally twist and pump right there. Okay, hope I'm doing it the right way. So definitely take your time while doing this. Don't be in a hurry like I was. You definitely need a little bit of working the first time you pump it, and then you're good to go. Right there. So it's easy, it's compact, you can close it back, and with this you can easily see the usage, you know, what's left in your foundation bottle, and they say that with this you can use every single drop of your foundation, so that's good for me. You don't have to be dipping your brush in the foundation bottle just to scoop out foundation, because the packaging was designed to make sure that you maximize on your product usage. So I want to do some swatching. I'm going to swatch the first shade. This one is light. Should I use this side? Oh, or this side? Let me use this side. What should I? I want to be very generous. Okay, this is medium 15. I'm going to lastly swatch medium 20. These are what the 3 shades look like. This is 1, light 1. This is medium 15, and this is medium 20. I think I'm going to be using this one just because I like how it sits on my skin, and I like the undertone as well. Yeah, so definitely I'm going to be using medium 20. I'm kind of contemplating whether or not I want to try out medium 15. I'm going to use medium 20. I'm going to use my primer. This one is from Il Makiage. I'm going to use this one, just focus this on the center of my face. So next up, I'm going to use the e.l.f. primer and 1 pump, and use this around the perimeter of my face. I want to do the first swatch. I want to try this out. I'm going to take one pump. I'm going to use a flat brush. This one is from Juvia's Place, and then start stippling it on my face. And this shade is medium 20. I don't know, it feels weightless. So I want to do one side of my face, and I want to be very generous with the foundation. So I'm going to build it up till I get the coverage that I want. But this is basically like 1.5 pumps, and I use 1.5 pumps on this side. This is what the foundation looks like on this side, and this is my face without the foundation. What you guys think? I think the match is good. This definitely is my shade. Yeah, and I'm seeing a little bit of glow. So I'm gonna put that on here as well. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. This is what the foundation looks like on my face. I think it's a decent match to me. And yeah, I like how it looks. I like how it feels. But I want to see how it looks when I'm done with my entire makeup and how it also performs throughout the entire day. So this is what it looks like now. I'm going to go ahead to do my entire makeup, complete my look, and then come back and show you guys what we look like. Okay guys, so this is what we look like after I went ahead to finish up my makeup. Now, this is what the foundation looks like without setting it down. Do bear in mind that I went ahead to set my under eye as well as my forehead, the areas where I highlighted. However, this section right here, this side of my face, hasn't been set. So this is what the foundation looks like without using powder or any other product on top of it. So this is what it looks like on this side, and this is what it looks like on this side as well. Now you can see that it's giving that matte look. It does look matte. It looks like I've set it down with powder. So I get the matte finish. However, it's not matte in the sense that it's drying me down. It's matte, but it's still a bit hydrated. Can you see that shine? Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead to set my face so that we can move along with this video. So I'm just going to lightly set my face using a little bit of powder. So to be honest with you, I feel like with this foundation, you can go about your day without even setting it down with a powder. Now, this is what my face looks like now that we have set it down. I don't think there's much of a difference, but let's move on. So next up, we are going to be unboxing, swatching, and trying out this Face Sculpt and Glow palette from Mirak Cosmetics. Let me just be honest with you guys. I got this palette the minute it was released. I was literally watching Laefa review this palette, and when I saw her review it, I immediately went and got myself one. I was probably the first or the second or the third person to buy this because Lily, she showed that there was a new product. I'm like, yeah, I have everything from Mirak. I think the only thing I don't have is their brushes, because they released this with the brushes as well. So let me open this up and see what this looks like. This is my first time opening this up, and I was saving this up. I've had this for almost 2 months now. Yeah, I wanted to, oh, this is beautiful. Now, this is why I was saving it, because I wanted to create content and, oh, this is nice. So this has a beautiful rose gold reflective finish to it. Yeah. Ooh. And let's open this up. I want you guys to be the first to see. And this is what the colors look like. Take this off. So these are the colors. So this is a sculpting and highlighting palette. Now with this, you can use this to bronze. I can see there are 2 shades here you can use to bronze. There are 2 blush shades, and there are also 2 highlight shades. So I'm going to start off by sculpting. So I usually use my contour first. Oh, I like how snatched I'm looking. So I use my contour first, and then I go in with my blush, and then I use a highlight. So I like how they kind of arrange this as well. But let me do a swatch, just so, like, we're still like a makeup girly. So I'm going to do a swatch at the back of my hand right here. This is what the first shade looks like. So this is a quick swatch of the palettes. I may not have done the best. Now, I'm a little bit rusty when it comes to like makeup, creating makeup content, because it has been a while, but we're going to get this right. I'm going to be using this shade, that is Cocoa, to contour and to chisel out my face. Let me just dust off the excess product and just go in just a little bit. Take that up as well and do that here. I don't like a deep contour. I want it to look natural, so I'm very light-handed with how I apply it. Let me just go over it with this. So let's move on to the blush. For the blush, I don't know what I want to do. Let me use both shades. Let me go in with this orange one and see what it looks like. Oh, oh, I like this. Oh, yeah. Orange shades, terracotta shade, always looks good on medium dark skin. So I'm gonna go in with this pink shade because I feel like this is going to give me a beautiful dull look, and just put that on so we can get like a beautiful, oh my god, I used a lot. I used a lot. I feel like both shades will give me like a beautiful sunset gradient look. Let me go in with my face powder. I'm gonna go in with my face powder just to reduce the vibrancy. Next up, I'm going to use this beautiful gold bronze shade in the shade Caramel and apply that right here. And I think I'm done with my face. I'm going to go ahead to set it down, and to do that, I'm using the Beauty by AD. This right here is a finished look. This is what the foundation looks like.